I am so excited for this unboxing. So this is my 4th unboxing for LocTote. I did their original, their sport, their pouch, and then this one, which, congrats to you, LocTote, raised like 100 grand on Indiegogo in the blink of an eye. So, I mean, I think that's great because it says a lot about what people believe in, that they believe in their product, that they were able to raise that kind of money so quickly. Obviously, I'm a big believer in their product. And let me show you this one. And I think they're shipping relatively soon, like March, if I'm not mistaken. So if you get a chance to lock it down on crowdfunding, do it. If you haven't seen one of my other LocTote unboxings, check it out. It always comes in this super cute travel bag, which I think is nice if you want to tuck it into a larger suitcase for a trip. And let me show you. I'm so excited. Okay, here it is. I am beyond excited. So it's like a full-size, legitimate backpack, whereas most of their other products are kind of on the smaller side in the way of backpack carries. I'm going to use it for a bit and get back to you, but I'll tell you, having not used it yet, the things that excite me the most. One, I think it's the most full-size secure backpack there is. I love, love, love these side pockets. Check it out. Because everybody carries like a swell bottle these days. I love the color. I don't know why, I always really like their colors. They're like appeal to a wide range of people. Anyways, not sure if you saw how I do that, but this is, I can tell it's gonna be a favorite of mine. How it hooks on, and then you've got varying lengths here. And let's go inside. Pretty roomy. Oh, I think this might be a laptop back here, laptop sleeve. And then 1, 2 open pockets and a zipper pocket. So lots of good storage. There might even be more. This is kind of just my first glance at it. And let's flip it around and just show you. Really heavy duty handles. Obviously splash proof because that's kind of their trademark. Ooh, and check this out. Hidden little pocket back here that I didn't know about. Can you see that? Down here, zipper pocket. I love the color, the gray and the dark gray. I think it's good for men or women. You're probably wondering about my face. I just came from my 6-year-old's birthday party, so entrance to get in the party was face painting. So that's that. This is the Cinch backpack that I'm super duper excited about. I should cinch it for you, right? Do I know how to do that? Here we go. You pull back here. I should at least show you that, even though it's just an unboxing. So you cinch it shut, their trademark also. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try and do a comparison of this to probably their original, because those are probably the 2 most comparable in size, although this one is obviously much bigger. Let me know if you have any questions, put them down below, and I'll make sure I address it in my full review. Cinch backpack, another job well done. Thanks for watching.